Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lydia. This is finally long awaited bathroom.
I am so excited for Lydia. Like,
if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Lydia.
Period.
Travel, fitness, reno vlogs, whatever you want it, I got it.
I didn't realize how hungry he was because he was quiet all morning and now he's just freaking out and searching for food so bad. So, warmed up his food. It's not warmed enough. I'm coming. Poor thing. I'm so sorry. I'm coming, I promise. It's kind of hot, so I have to let it cool. Warmed it up too much. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. I promise. Oh, I'm coming. Oh my goodness. I'm coming. Stop, you're making me feel so bad. Oh gosh. See how he's behaving. Hey, stop. Here. Finally.
Stunning, Sasco. Yeah, stunning. Don't know no baby. Still feel it for you like you feel it for me. How you been doing? Yeah, I'm back hard again.
Hey, what you know?
Me soldier your side, you sneak you. All you ever ask, a wine me can't see you. Me Saint Elizabeth say, oh we no visit yet. You know I'm on tour, but to take it as a disrespect. Miss Portland, yeah, she leave her son. She don't have a man already, but she want it done.
Good morning, y'all. About to bring Kitty to her new home. Bring her to her new home. She's been pretty calm for the whole car ride. So we will see how she behaves. I think she'll be fine though. But I'm gonna miss her. So we just dropped off Oreo to his new fam bam. I miss him already. I know mom, even though she's going like she nice, she's gonna miss him because she definitely did get attached to him, which is funny because she was so against him being in the house and everything. But no, she got so attached to him and she was actually thinking of keeping him. But because we promised him to my cousin, and I promised him to my cousin because of how she was saying that she don't want him to stay. So I said, alright, I'm not staying, so whatever. And now she's like, oh, we end up promising him to our cousin, so we can't keep him. I'm like, You see what happens? What's this traffic? It's a beautiful day today. It's not like super sunny, but it's decent. It's a decent day. So we're heading to Active now. I'm gonna look at some stuff for my room. I'm excited about it. My phone is kind of dying, so I'm kind of hoping that I have enough juice to kind of show you guys what I'm looking at Active. My voice sounds like it kind of raspy. I guess I was shouting last night. But yeah, when I get to Active, I'm gonna show you guys the things that I like. But we're gonna stop at Cafe Dolce before and get something to eat and maybe some coffee because I haven't had any breakfast or anything. So we can stop and grab something and then go to Active. So we are at my car, so we no longer went to Cafe Dolce. I hope you can't hear me because the music is loud. But we were driving past my car and I was saying to mom, like, should we just go here and get food instead of like going to Cafe Dolce? And I've always heard that the pasta here is good. I've never been to Macau before. I've always avoided it like the plague because of the things that I always hear and because it's always sound like a pack and just but yeah, now I'm here today and we're getting lunch. So I'll finally see what the fuss is about with the pasta. I found the tile that I was looking for. These are like wall tiles, so when you put them on the wall they kind of create like a textured wall vibe. I wish I could show you. I'm going to show you guys at the front to see what it looks like when you have it, like multiply them together, or maybe insert a picture. But this is what I was thinking about. I didn't know it was like a tile and I thought it was something you could stick on the wall, but it's actually a tile. And it's $249 per tile, so I'd have to find out how much, like, I guess, measure my wall and figure it out. But it's a really thick tile, so I don't have, because I was kind of worried about like it breaking, like if my bed hits up against it. But this is a lot though, because I really wasn't taking into consideration like tiling a whole wall. That wasn't the vibe, that wasn't the plan. But I really want a textured wall, so I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I can maybe find like the stick-on ones, maybe. Or it's just like, I don't know. Okay, as mommy said that I was supposed to measure the door before. I was supposed to measure the doorway, the fan, before I came here, and I completely forgot. Because based on like that I can decide what door I can get, and also as it pertains to the fan, I need to know like how big a fan I can get, but I guess I can judge it. The door not so much, but the fan I can judge. But you'll have to come back and get a door. This would be perfect because it already has the mirror in it. So this would be perfect, mommy. But I think this is too small. Too tall? Yeah, this would be perfect because see, you have this on the outside and then the mirror on the other side, which is what I wanted. So I had already planned to add a mirror here. So when it slides into the room, the mirror is there, like the mirror slides over on the wall. I hope y'all see the vision. We're on our way home and I got the bracket, secured the bag. But I didn't remember to show you guys the bracket on the wall inside the Active, because you guys would get to see like what it really looked like, and I didn't take a picture of it either. But yeah, the barn door bracket, it's like a barn door basically, barn door bracket thing. So yeah, and I think it's pretty reasonable. I feel like it's, you don't think so? I don't know, I feel like 11 is fine. I mean the size and everything, the track, it's like the whole thing, all you need is a door. You know what I mean? Like I think
but I can't compare it. So
well, I guess. But what's this cost, man, trying to run people off the road? But then when you think about the fact that they were charging the bracket and the door together was $40,000, and then the fact that I can get the bracket by itself for $11,000, and then buy a door after. But I couldn't buy the door today because, as I said before, I forgot to do some measurements in my room. So what I'm gonna have to do is kind of measure my doorway to see, like, you know, the width of the door that I would want, and check back to make sure that the door that I'm interested in purchasing is big enough. and also I need to measure. Now that I have the brackets, I can measure and know like what the width is gonna be, so that I know how far over on the wall it's gonna go and where like my TV is gonna be and how big of a TV I can get. Hopefully it doesn't take up too much space, but I do feel like if the bracket ends up coming over a lot, I might end up going with the option of a projector for my room. But I still haven't decided on the projector or the TV, because at the end of the day the projector can even have you know, the projector can have the fire stick thing too. Yeah, projectors now you can stick a fire stick in, and I think you have smart projectors so you can have like everything streamed through the projector instead of like having to Bluetooth from like your laptop or your phone. Or my voice is going, guys. But yeah, so I guess I took pictures of everything that I was interested in, and I'm gonna put the prices together and see how things are looking. And it's gonna be like a rough pricing, because that doesn't add in the price of like labor to paint my room. I'm gonna know the price of the paint to paint my room if I'm gonna go with the tile option, because that's hella expensive, and I never really planned to be tiling a wall. So I think I might even look on Amazon and see if I can find like the adhesive wall decals, because I want some texture on my walls. So we're gonna see. But I took pictures of everything that I was interested in, and I'm gonna do like a little mood board thing to kind of see how everything looks together before I decide. Because my look me I think I don't know if you have 2 cents for add. I love seeing this because I love the color. It's the color I keep telling you that I see every time we go to the supermarket. But yeah, y'all, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. In the next vlog we can probably, I don't know if I'll show you guys all of the nitty-gritty of me measuring and all of that. Yeah, the traffic's crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys all of that, but but we'll see. But I mean, overall I will vlog the whole room, the room journey, so you guys will see what it looks like at the end. But we're gonna head to the supermarket now and then go home.
I don't think I'm in around here, so
With the traffic, right? It's too much. So you're going to go come on the road tomorrow then. But this is, you know, this is probably because people are rushing to beat the curfew, you know, so everybody. Yeah, the traffic's crazy, y'all. Like, look at this. Like, that's the traffic. So yeah. But thanks for hanging out with me this week as usual. You know, don't forget to leave a like. Let me know if you guys loved this week's vlog. Comment and let me know you know, any pieces that you guys liked and think I should get, maybe, I don't know, like at active or anything. And yeah, if you aren't subscribed, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Sasco.
Yeah, stunning. Don't know you, no baby. Still feel it for you like you feel it for me. How you been doing? Yeah, I'm back.